Welcome, today I'm with OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G and I'll show you how to change video quality of screen recorder on your device. So first of all, go to settings and now find the convenience tools, tap on that, and here just tap on screen recording. Just right there you can tap on the video resolutions and you can change that for example medium. Also you can change that to the high or to the low. Also we can change the frame rate. I think that's for example we can change that for 30 fps. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.